Do you really need this on a Disney cruise?
Let's find out.
Hold on. Hi, I'm Karen.
And I'm Ansley.
And today, Daniel's due Disney cruise packing. Okay, here we go. We're gonna dig into this bag, the mystery bag of Disney packing. Top 10 things to take on a Disney trip. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, first thing. Oh, okay, so this is my Ziploc bag of medicines. And most importantly, in this bag are ginger candies, and Sea-Bands. So if you're prone to seasickness, I would recommend maybe wearing these. You can even get the behind the ear things, I think, from your doctor. Or if maybe you just want to pop in a ginger. It's always the first night when we're going out that it's the roughest, but not too bad. But if you're prone to that, I would pack those. And then I like to just pack your basic headache medicine, tummy trouble medicine, some airborne, things like that. All right, you're up.
So next are lanyards. So we got these from previous cruises, from being a previous cruise member. They're pretty cute. And so these basically get you off the ship when you go to whatever destination. And they can also unlock your room. They're your room key.
Yeah, so they're good, especially for kids to wear around their neck. Sometimes I wear a lanyard. Sometimes I just put my key in my pocket. But so lanyards are definitely a good thing to take with you. All right, next up. My bag of bags. So for Ziploc bags are a must when I go on vacation and trips. And what I even do, I'm a little obnoxious maybe, I don't know, you might appreciate it, but I like to pack an outfit per day in a Ziploc bag. Is that a good thing?
Yeah, I feel like it keeps it more organized.
You don't really have to think about, like, what am I gonna wear this day? What am I gonna wear this day? I do this for all the trips, especially for my kiddos. And then it gives you Ziploc bags in case you need to put stuff in it to bring home. I even like to put their dirty clothes in Ziploc bags to bring them back home so I can go ahead and pack them and get them out of the way. The question is, do you really even need this? It's a laundry hamper. You can fold it up and put it in your luggage and then set it in your room for dirty clothes. If that's how you want to roll, I've done it both ways. But I also like to put the dirty clothes back in the Ziploc bags, put them under the bed, get them out of the way, because the rooms are nice, but they're not ginormous.
Yeah.
So it's helpful to kind of keep things tidy and organized. Or what's next?
Let's see. These. So these are magnets. They're not a must-have, but definitely recommended. So the hotel rooms, or the cruise, what are they called? Staterooms. The doors are magnetic, so you can put magnets on there. And so they have some you can buy, or you can make some custom ones. Where's mine? Oh, this is mine. So we just laminated them and put magnets on the back. We have our initials and then our favorite Disney character. And then that's our main family name. So a bunch of rooms have these. They're super cute.
Yeah, they are. You can go on Etsy and get them and buy them. But we made our own and customized them to favorite characters or something. Dad is golf balls. And so all the rooms look the same, so it helps you to not try to unlock the wrong room.
Yes.
Okay, up next, let's see here. The Magic Band Plus. So this is something that's kind of new on the newer cruise ships, that you can use your Magic Band Plus. It has to be the Plus to get in your staterooms, to charge things to your rooms. So if you have these already, I would, it's not necessary that you buy them, but if you already have them, it's nice. The kids, I think, can use them to go to kids club. So our kids bought these for their latest Disneyland trip, and so we just took them and used them for a Disney cruise.
Okay, next are water bottles, or what we have, a Yeti. So on the cruise, unlike a lot of cruises, you can have unlimited soft drinks, and the cups that come with it are pretty small. So if you just want to get your favorite soda and bring it back up to your room and like sip on it for a few hours, it can keep it cold. And yeah, so we also have a Yeti. You can choose any cup you want, and yeah, they're pretty helpful.
Yeah, I know for me, I like to put water in. A helpful tip is put water in it and take it up to your room every night, because I think they have water there, but you have to pay for it. So like if you take medicines, or if you just need a sip of water before you go to bed or first thing in the morning, I always would fill this up before we went to our room for the night so that we could have some water in our room. And then I took both. I would like to put water in this one and keep that one for water, and then I would put my sodas in the Yeti. And but it's nice to fill it up to go sit by the pool all day, or if you go off the ship, you have some water to take with you. Okay, up next is this autograph book, because I couldn't find the one that's really Disney. But if your kids want to get autographs from the characters, you can already have an autograph book ready to go, and their characters are there's a schedule that tells you when they're going to be there, what time, and where they're going to be, so you can get in line to get get their autograph.
Next, this one is one of my favorites, magnet hooks. I think they're super important. You can get them on Amazon, pretty cheap. And the rooms in the staterooms, like the doors, the walls are also magnetic. So this is really helpful to hang swimsuits, bags, anything. And it can keep stuff pretty neat and tidy.
Yeah, they're really strong too.
Yeah.
And so we would hang our lanyards on it, we would hang our sweaters on it, even little bags, like your little...
If you have like a book bag.
A little tiny backpack, or the little, whatever those things are called.
Yeah.
Those bags, and it helps to hang things up in your room. And the ceilings. Okay, don't forget a beach bag. All right, so I bought a beach bag that's small and enough to fold up and put in my luggage. But what I already have in the beach bag are things that I would need for the pool or the beach. So I like to take Boca clips for my pool towel, and then I have a Ziploc bag full of sunscreen and aloe if you get too much sun, and I already have goggles for the kiddos, and I already packed this in the bag and then put it in my luggage. But it's also good if you buy too many souvenirs, you have an extra bag to bring them home in if you need to. So don't forget your beach bag.
Okay. Next is a jacket, a hoodie, or a sweater. So a sweater for dinner, if you want to dress kind of fancy or nice, a sweater is pretty good. It can get pretty chilly in there, at least for me. When we went, I know it was cold. So a hoodie, just whenever you're around, yeah, it can get pretty chilly on the boat, you never know. So these I definitely recommend. This is from Temu, by the way. Highly recommend.
I would wear a sweatshirt to the shows because I thought it got cold in
the
there.
shows too, they can be very cold.
But it can even get cold out on the deck at night, so it's good just to have a sweater, sweatshirt option for that.
Okay, next is a phone, because you're definitely gonna want the Disney Cruise app. It's free. It tells you schedules, what's going on, if there's character meet and greets, drawing, just any little activities, bingo. And it can help you really organize your trip and stay on track. And it also gives you dining tips. What else can it do?
Oh yeah, menus.
You can order stuff, right? You can order
room service.
Yeah, room
Don't forget
service.
to order those chocolate chip cookies.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
So yeah, you definitely need your phone.
Yeah, your phone and the Disney Cruise app.
And the last thing in our mystery bag is a multi-port charger. That sounds official. I'm not sure if that's what it's called, but the newer boats that we've been on the Wish, and it had more ports available, more plugs near your bed. But on other boats, I noticed that there were fewer ports to charge your stuff. So I bought one of these, and it'll hold up to 4 things that you need to plug in. So if you have a watch and a phone AirPods and all that. You can plug them all in, and it just requires one plug. So this comes in handy in our kitchen as well.
Like
But
with everything.
so this is just a nice have. So there you have it. Our top 10, but not really top 10. I don't have any idea how many that was.
Yeah.
But our list of Disney cruise packing tips.
Thank you for joining us. This was Daniel's Do Disney Packing. Thanks for joining us. This was Daniel's Do Adventures Packing. Daniel's Do Disney. Thanks for joining us. This was Daniel's Do Adventures.
Don't laugh.
Thanks for joining us. This was Daniel's Do Packing. Daniel's Do Packing.
Disney packing.
Oh. Thank you for joining us. This was Daniel's. Thank you for joining us. This was Daniel's Do Disney Packing.